Hi everyone, I've had a few questions on adding the air fryer for your Host 60% off item. So I wanted to do a quick video to make sure that you all know what to do. First of all, your guest sales must be at $7.50 or higher. That does not include anything the host has purchased herself on her host order. So the guest sales must be at $7.50, and don't freak out that I have an $1,100 show with one guest. I faked this for you to show you this video quickly. So we're going to go into the host order, and you do not enter it here. Okay, this is where you're going to enter everything else she wants. So she wants a bar pin, whatever else she's going to do, you're going to go ahead and enter all of that. But for her air fryer or other host specials, you're going to come down here and click on the July 2020 host special. And then it's slow because there's numerous things. And then you can type in air fryer, but you want to remember not to choose these ones. These are out of stock. You have to choose the host exclusive deluxe air fryer right here. Okay, so this one here, add to cart. Okay, and then you'll be good to go. Or if you want to make note of the product number for the host exclusive PB1630, you can find it that way as well. All right, and that way it's been added to your show at 60% off. That's it. Have a good day, everybody.